What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome for another Nike factory store. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today is another day on the Nike factory store, so hopefully you could find something really good for investment and also for some kind in the collection. So that is a good one right there. So let's check out the kids section first. We got the Air Jordan 4 Retro GS, and this one is kind of not bad for the price, $79.97 with the additional 30%, but the color is really vibrant for kids, but it's meant to be for kids though. So size 6U, the price $79.97, not bad for the good size for the kids. How about check out the kids also? We got the 30%. We got some printed and some kind a animal thing with a Kyrie 6 GS, and the price not bad for the price also. And check out this, some kind of animal printing all around, and not bad for the kids. Hopefully this wish could be the men's, but hey, not bad for the price on this one. Not bad for the kids though. Check out the price. What do you think? What do you think? Alright, okay, let's see, move on to the women's section. Not too much, and we got some Jordan here, and the price is a little bit low. How about this one? Well, okay, this one is not bad, $59.97 for the women's Air Max 200. The color is some kind of greenish mint for $59.97 with the additional 30. That's not bad for the women's. Hope you like this one. And there you go, the Air Max 200, $59.97 with the additional 30. Alright, hopefully this one is not bad also. Women's Nike Air Max T, $49.97 with additional 30% off. So what do you think on that one? Okay, let's move on to the men's. Let's move on to the men's, and we got a $79, no additional discount, the Air Max Tailwind SE. I like the color though. Not bad. It's kind of simple, but it take me. I mean, like the color, $79 without the discount. Alright, but if you are looking for a big discount, this one, hey, we got some $69.97 with the additional 30% of the Air More Money with gold accent, all of it with some black on the midsole and outsole. Well, if you really like some kind of gold and everything, well, $69.97 with additional 30. What do you think? Will you cap this one and this price? Okay, not bad for the design though, and the price, you can't go wrong on that one if you really dig into it. Alright, let's move on to the $99.97 with additional 30%. Element 87. This one's been sitting here for a while, and that price not going down. I hope it will, but not. Alright, let's go for some kind of running shoes. Nike Epic React Running 2 SE, and the price $74.97, additional 30%. Not bad for the running shoes. The color of black with a little bit accent of green. I like it. I already had me a lot of Flyknit React. I really like it, and the price, you can't go wrong on this price, $74.97 with additional 30. Okay, we got another Nike running shoes, Nike Air Zoom Boomerang 14. This one is not bad also, but the price, you can't go wrong, but I hope wish they could have additional 30. But this one comes with another React foam with it, so it's still a good running shoes. But this one, Nike Alpha Dunk TV promo, whoa, lot of good prices, and been sitting here like this one, $59.97 with the additional 30%. And like, this colorway, this kind of design, boo. Alright, we're in the Jordan section. As you can see, a lot of good ones, but no additional discount. But this one had discount though. No discount, I mean $89.99. Some kind of Jordan with React, another one, and some kind of different vibe or something. What do you think? Jordan React, $59.97. I wish could remain the kind of silver on this one, but this red has been sitting also. If they have the discount, probably, but not today. Alright, let's check out the clearance. Okay. Alright, we got 30% here. And look at this one, the some kind of black and maroon Air Max 95 Essential. It's $79.97 with additional 30. And this one I believe is some kind of return, so that's why it's only have one pair. And how about this one? Got some kind of Nike N10 DSNX and some kind of off-white vibe also, and I don't like this one. And the outsole, can you see that? It's so like it's so sticky or something, plasticky, I mean. Check out the comps. As you can see, there's no one buying it and it's a little bit low. Alright, still in the clearance. Check out this one. Ooh, someone returned this one, huh? We got the Air Max 2090 and the retail is, I mean, they're selling for $149 with additional 30, and not bad for the price though. What do you think? Still have the 30%. Oh, we got the LeBron still sitting here, the LeBron Super Brown. Okay, so 30% on the clothing. What do you think? Check out this one. Some kind of running shoes, running clothing, and $29.97, and it comes with additional 30%. I like this one for running because it's some kind of soft and light, and the retail is $110. You can't go wrong for that one. We got some Air Jordan 23 top tanks. I wish it could been this one some kind of stitch, but this one is printed, so I'm gonna pass on this one. I wish it could been the stitch thing. $45 with retail, but not bad if you are into it. Alright, let's go pay this one and let's go home. Alright, so this is what we pick up on the Nike store today. Not much, but hey, so let's take them out on the bag, please. Okay, first one, this is the Air Jordan 8 Retro SE, and they were selling for $139.97 with the additional 30%, so came down to somewhere around $97.97. As you can see right there, the receipt, the 30% off, $97.97. so this is the only stock they have, so I picked this up. Actually there's only 5 supposed to be, but this is the only one they have, so I'll take it. $97.97 for the retail of $225 for Jordan 8 Retro. It's still a good deal. What do you think? So another one we pick up this some kind of a jogger, running jogger. This one's on retail for $65 and bought them for $29.97 and then additional 30%, so that one came down to somewhere around $20 or something. So as you can see right there, they're having some kind of promotion, but it has $29.99 and then additional 30. That's supposed to be came down to $20.99. So next one, we got the Air Jordan 1 mid. Retail is $150. The colorway is the green, which is the pine green colorway. Actually, I'm already late when I got there, so this is the only pair that I got. Actually, they have bunch more, and the other reseller picked them up. So I only got one, so kinda left over. So as you can see right there, Air Jordan 1 mid, size 11, and they don't have the additional discount, but $79.99. It's not bad for the Jordan 1 mid. Alright, moving on. So we got this some kind of air loafer, beautiful lightweight warm jacket. This is a running jacket, and this one's retail for $110. They were selling for $29.97, and then additional 30% should came down to $29.99. And I pick up 3 of this one. One is for the personal, and lastly we got the Nike Epic React Flyknit 2 SE, and some 9.5, 9 and 11.5. They were selling for $74.97. Pick them up for after the discount came down to $54.97. As you can see, Nike Epic React Flyknit 2 $74.97 minus the 30%, so came down to $52.47. So not bad for the price of this one. It is a good running shoes. The color not bad, black and a little bit accent of green, and very comfortable, very good running shoes. Got the good sizes, and get all the good size 9 and 9.5 on the store, so I left behind the other ones. So as you know, there's only 5 that I can only purchase because there's a limit. But anyway, that is a good one for a running shoes, also good one for a jacket, the tights, the Jordan 1 mid, and also the Jordan 8 retro. So what do you think? Which one is the best cup of them all? I think that's still a good one, good cup for this Jordan 8. I know it's a little bit bright, but hey, good one for that one. 95, 79 and 50 something. So what do you think? Which one is the best cup and the best the one could be flip of them all? I wish I could get more of this one, but hey, I'm kind of light though. So with that being said, what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Also leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. And with that all, Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright, as promised, we're still gonna do the draw, and our lucky winner for this giveaway is Larry Manawis, and it has a good comment here on the YouTube channel. And let's see if it is a Instagram subscriber and a follower, and also had a comment and also tag someone, a friend. Hopefully we have a winner. And check that comment here on Instagram. As you can see, did all the comments here, but no Larry Manawis. So check out other comments here. Another one, let's check that out. Larry Manawis, but well, looks like unfortunately we still don't have a winner.